If you're seeing Step 5, print pallet labels in your Send to Amazon workflow, this means you are sending pallets with an Amazon-partnered carrier. This step will not show up for any other type of shipment. Now that your pallets are packed and you have confirmed carrier and pallet information, it is time to print your pallet labels and ship your products. At this point, you should have already placed FBA ID labels on the individual boxes in Step 3 and on the packed pallets in Step 4. The labels in this step are your carrier labels. You will need FBA ID labels and carrier labels on all pallets in order to ship your products. Select your pallet label type under Print Pallet Labels and Documentation and click Print. Place one label centered and toward the top of each of the four sides of the pallet so that the forklift driver can easily see them. If the pallet contains only one ASIN, we recommend labeling the pallet single ASIN as well. You're now ready to ship your pallets with your Amazon-partnered carrier. To learn about how to manage and track your shipments, as well as create the bill of lading you will be required to provide your carrier at pickup, please review the Manage Your Send to Amazon Shipments Guide in Seller Central.